Good afternoon, children. We are learning lesson 7 Conservation of Plants and Animals. Take page number 77. So, we have already seen the first half, that was covered with the deforestation topic, and we all have discussed about the deforestation and why it is done. Yes, today let us go for consequences of deforestation. Consequences means விளைவுகள். Okay, what are all the defects we are going to face after doing deforestation? Okay, let us learn about it. Okay, so in the grade 7 last lesson you have learnt about a different forest. Yes, in that lesson you have learned different types of trees and animals, and what are all the ill effects that we do not have a proper amount of trees and plants. Yes, you all have told if there is no trees there will be no rain and soil quality will be less, and the animals they can't get shelter proper, and even humans also we can't get fruits and vegetables from there, and herbal medicines also not there. Everything we discussed, isn't it? So after finally the Professor Ahmed have concluded that cutting trees are continued means there will be no rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decrease. Okay, so not only this defects are there is so much defects, so much problems are there. See, if the deforestation is continuing, not only these two problems will come, not only rainfall, not only fertility of the soil will decrease, there will be more problems like floods and droughts maybe also will come. How it is connected? How, if we cut the tree, how flood will come, how drought will come? Yes, let me tell you. So plants are the absorbers of carbon dioxide. Okay, so every day we are inhaling oxygen and plants are inhaling carbon dioxide. So we are exhaling carbon dioxide. The waste gases like carbon dioxide was absorbed by trees and plants. Okay, but if there is no tree, if there is no plants, what will happen? There is no absorbing work done by the trees and plants. So the who will absorb? Even humans can we do? No. So they are the thing, they are the ones, special ones who absorbs the carbon dioxide. They are plants and trees. Okay. So, and also nowadays the pollution, air pollution is getting so much increased. Okay, because of vehicle smoke and factories are letting smoke. So many from more factors the air is getting polluted. Okay, so to tolerate that much pollution we need a large number of trees and plants. Okay, but somebody is destroying the forest, cutting the trees and plants for some purposes. Okay, it is not good, because if the if the smoke content will be increasing now, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere also getting increased. Okay, so this leads to defect in ozone layer. So you all know what is ozone layer? Yeah, it is a protective shield which protects us from the direct sun rays. Okay, yes. So this leads to some enlargement of hole. Already it has a hole. What it do, if the carbon dioxide content is over in the atmosphere, it leads to higher damage, higher enlargement of holes, like that many problems. There may be lead to global warming. Okay, so what will happen? Maybe the size of the hole in ozone get increased, maybe increased. So they are the layer which protects us from the UV rays. Yes or no? So now after the global warming has increased, we may get a direct sun rays. Okay, so what will happen? Even humans cannot tolerate. So more transpiration will take place. That is, wait. More transpiration means, see here. So usually trees and plants have a water at the root, and it can hold more soil. okay, so that soil fertility will be good, okay. And also there will be ponds, lakes are there, okay. So if the direct sun heat is getting, it may evaporation takes place in the trees and also in the grasses and also in the lakes and ponds and water areas, okay. See there, this will lead to drought, okay. This will lead to drought. See drought na enna panjam. So இந்த ட்ரீஸில் இருக்கிற வாட்டர் கண்டென்ட் எல்லாம் எவாப்ரேட் ஆகிடுது, லேக்ஸ் பாண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே எவாப்ரேட் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா தேர் வில் பி நோ வாட்டர். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி cutting trees can lead to drought, okay. Can you understand today? Yes.